Coconut chutney, the best dip for thosai, idli and vade. Today, we're going back to the basics. Watch grandmother approved Malaysian Indian recipes and tips on the spice table. Easy coconut chutney. Ingredients: grated coconut, small green chillies, large green chillies, shallots, ginger, curry leaves, salt, sugar and lime. First, add the coconut into a grinder. Break into half the small green chillies and the large green chillies. Add in the ginger and add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and grind it into a fine paste. Once it looks like this, add in the curry leaves and the sliced shallots. My grandma's tips: the reason why we add the shallots later is because it should not grind too much. It would ruin the texture and make the chutney watery. Grind that for a few minutes. Add some salt, a bit of sugar and lime, about half a lime squeezed in. These are optional but they go a long way, so try them. Give it all a good mix. And your chutney is ready. Enjoy your breakfast.